Everybody, it's Marguerite and John, the DIY duo again, and this is just a quick short to show you a project that we have coming up. I don't know if you can see this wall, but we've got a plaster wall here. Our house is old. It was built in the 20s, and so we've got plaster walls going on. As you can see, there's a leak here, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it on the video, but the leak also affects the ceiling all the way up this wall. And as we said before, there are some things that we're going to be able to tackle ourselves. There are other things that we're going to recommend you make sure you call a professional. This is going to be one of those times that part of the job we're recommending you call a professional. So we're going to go outside because this is what we believe is going on. And we believe, and we've had our friend Jim the roofer come, and he believes the same thing. And I don't know if you follow me about here, you might be able to see that there's some flashing going on where the roof is meeting the outside of our exterior wall over there. And all of that is dried up. And what's happened was a long time ago, when this roof was first replaced before we owned the house, the flashing was not done correctly. So now there's just globs of caulking up there, hoping that it stays and keeps the rain out, but the sun beats down on this side of the house all day, every day, and it's already dried out that caulking that's only about 5 years old, and he's already seen cracks in it. So our friend Jim, who is a professional roofer, will be coming sometime, hopefully this week, to fix that leak. And then we're gonna make sure that that's actually the only problem that he needs to fix, that it's not maybe caulking around the window that's directly above as well. But once we know that that leak is completely fixed, then we're gonna start demoing that wall, and we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna show you how to fix it yourself. John, anything you wanna say about it? And I'll turn it over to you.
The one thing is leaks can be very tricky. So sometimes you do have to call a professional because they can confuse you, because in that wall there is a void. So what makes it tricky is we do have plumbing in that wall. So one of the reasons...
Let's go inside and talk about it.
Okay. In this wall there is plumbing. So,
it's a waste pipe, right? If
yes,
I'm not mistaken?
We do have a waste pipe that goes down this wall. But we're gonna go with the... the easiest solution first. Is we're gonna silicone the seams that are cracked on the upper part of the roof, and hopefully that should fix the problem. And we take it from there. If we continue to get leaks, we might have to do a hole to observe where this water is coming from. Leaks can be very tricky. Water travels, and I actually take care of a school building. And we go through this all the time. It could be pipes, it could be roofs, it could be air conditioners. A lot of people don't even realize that air conditioners can give off a lot of leaks and do a lot of damage to interior walls. So those are the things you gotta look for when you have leaks. And
all
that's
right.
pretty much.
All right, stay tuned, guys. And that'll be a new video coming up. Take care.